Happy birthday, JB and Aliana. God bless your next journey and enjoy your day.
Yan. Mga dalagat binata na kayo, magpakabait kayo. God bless.
We love you.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Aliana and JB.
We hope you have a safe journey and new experience in the USA.
Happy birthday, Aliana and JB. We hope you good health and good luck on your new chapter and new life in the USA and more birthdays to come.
Praying for more blessings, happiness, and success in whatever your heart desire. We love you and happy birthday again. Enjoy!
Enjoy! Bye-bye! Bye, Mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hey everybody, this is your cousin Dines. I just wanted to say happy birthday to Aliana and happy birthday to JB.
Hi JB and Aliana, happy birthday. Good luck and may you have the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday, happy 15th birthday Aliana and 18th birthday to Tabong. This is your Tito Jojo from Texas. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy and stay blessed and always listen to your mama and papa. Happy birthday again and enjoy the cake and enjoy the ice cream. Bye from Texas. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Aliana and Kuya Jobong. We wish you that all things that are smooth sailing sa pag-process ng pag-alis ninyo and hopefully na you will have a safe trip going to the US with Mama Laili and Papa Walter. No, we are so happy that you will reach this milestone para sa family ninyo and for your experiences na mag-ingat kayo doon palagi and always stick kayo sa church and we are always here for you. Yan.
And then, be obedient palagi. Listen to your mom and your dad. I know there will be difficult times, especially mag-adjust doon. Dito'y awanti na lamig. So doon, may snow doon. So adjust din ang gabi doon, umaga sa atin. No? So you have to adjust first, then before anything. Then agkararag palagi, no? Kada kayo can agsimba every Sunday. And sige, aganad kada kayo jay Colorado can just to kumuyog kada kayo. Sige.
Sige. Bye-bye. See you again.
Hi Aliana, happy birthday. Hope your birthday is special as you are. May God grant all your wishes and dreams come true and fill your life with endless joy.
Hi Aliana, happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy your birthday and I wish you happiness and the best day ever. God bless.
Hi Aliana, happy birthday. May your day be as bright and wonderful as you are. Wishing you a year filled with happiness, love, and all the things that make you smile. Take care always. Goodbye.
Hello Aliana, wishing you all the great things in life. May happiness bloom in your heart all year long. Happy birthday Aliana!
Hi Aliana, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in your special day, and as you start your journey in the US, I'm really happy for you and proud of how far you've come. I know you do great things there. Just keep being the amazing person you are. We'll definitely miss you here, but go chase your dreams and make the most out of every moment. Have an awesome birthday and a safe trip. See ya!
Happy birthday, Aliana. May this special day bring you joy and happiness and precious memories. I miss you so much. I love you.
Naimbag na Rabii.
Hello, naimbag na Rabii sa inyong tanan.
Hello,
nila.
Aliana and Jabong. Happy birthday kay Aliana o kay Jabong.
Happy birthday. Hope that you will have a joyous birthday. And we're very excited to see you here in Colorado, USA.
Yes, we would like to welcome Aliana and Jabong for their arrival here in the USA. We are so excited to be able to finally meet you. Okay, nakikita lang namin kayo sa videos at saka sa mga picture. And we are so happy for both of you. Alam namin na mahal kayo ng Diyos kasi binigyan kayo ng mababait na parents, sina Lily at Walter, who is gonna take care of the both of you. You are so blessed. I'm so happy na binigyan kayo ng maraming blessing ng Panginoon. And we are hoping na maging masaya kayo sa pagdating ninyo dito sa Amerika. I know sa pagdating ninyo, magiging malamig. Kaya na ako, sweater. Hindi, para sa taglamig. But, hopefully, magiging masaya kayo. You're gonna have fun. Kami, your tita and your tita Adeline, your tito Marlon, will be here for you. And if you need anything, you can call us. We can also show you around. Pwede namin kayong ipasyal.
Yeah, just don't ask for money because we don't have it, okay? So be careful, and we're excited to see you, and may you travel safe and reach here safely. I know your parents are super excited and to show the USA. May you behave well and accomplish what you set to do, and at the same time return the favor to others. All right? You take care, guys, and we're excited to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Maligayang pagdating sa Colorado, JB and Aliana.
Welcome to your new home filled with love, family,
and big dreams.
We are so happy you are here.
Your journey together has crossed oceans and hearts. Seeing your family now complete brings so much joy. May this new home be filled with comfort, belonging, and endless love.
Welcome to Colorado! Hi, Aliana and JV. I am Ate Mai. This is Kuya Brian. And this is Joseph. And we are welcoming you to Colorado, USA. We look forward to getting to know you and meeting you in our bonding and get together.
This is Myra.
Yeah, I'm Myra. Welcome!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, JB and Aliana. Welcome to the US.
Ito ang inyong bagong Uncle Eugene at ako, si Auntie Portia. Magkikita-kita tayo madalas dito dahil maswerte kayo kay Tito Walter nyo at saka kay Tita Lai. Marami silang friends.
We welcome you sa Colorado. Excited kami makita kayo. At sa wakas, makikita na rin namin kayo for the longest time na hinihintay namin kayo dito.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Pagdating sa Colorado. Happy birthday to the both of you. Justin.
Hi, I'm Justin.
Wyatt. That's Riker. Kaya. Tita Tess. Aliana and JV, welcome sa Colorado and congratulations on your new beginning. I hope you guys have, a wonderful life with your new parents, and welcome and enjoy your new family. We are excited to meet you and get to know you. And yeah, we are from the Bridgemans.
Happy birthday, JB and Aliana, and welcome to Colorado.
Happy birthday, Aliana. Enjoy your day and may you have more birthdays to come. Have a safe travel and take care always. We'll miss you.
Happy birthday for the both of you. I wish you nothing but pure happiness and love from the people around you, and I will always be here for you, and I appreciate you more than words can say, and I'll forever cherish the bond that we had. And again, happy birthday for the both of you.
Happy 15th birthday, Aliana, and 18th birthday, Jabong. To both of you, we wish you a good health, happiness, and a bright future. Stay humble and know that we are always here to support you.
To Jabong, welcome to adulthood. We pray you grow with wisdom, strength, and responsibility. Whatever challenges come, remember, your family believes in you.
To Aliana, keep dreaming big and make it always guide and protect you. We love you both and happy birthday!
birthday, Jabong and Aliana. Tatang, ang hani ka umayan, sungag, singsimpit kayo nga dua.
Finally, after 5 years, makapunta na kayo dito sa amin sa Colorado at makasama na namin kayo. We wish you the best of health at sana maka-adjust kayo dito at maging masaya kayo at maging masunurin. At we love you and care for you and walang iyakan ha. So, we're excited, pati yung mga friends namin dito na makarating kayo.